In an interaction with media persons, the State Secretary and retired Additional Director, School Education and Literacy, W. Lyngdoh, informed that the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides has proposed to construct a building for scouting and guiding activities, and also informed about the expansion of scouting and guiding in the state of Meghalaya to the college and even the university level. Lyngdoh further said that being a member of the Scouts and Guides can be one of the criteria to the selection of jobs for the youth who have received training and special certification from the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides.
Expansion of the scouting and guiding in our state means we used to conduct a 7 days basic training camps to scout master for the male teacher and guide captain to the female teachers. As soon as they have finished the basic course of 7 days training, so they are able to start in it in their respective institution of different district wherever they are teaching. Regarding job avenues, you see, 5 years back, in the standard application form of the government of Meghalaya, that they have initiated, they have given in one of the remark column whether they have joined NCC but now oblique join scouting or guiding. Those students, those youth who have passed the training, they got a special certificate as one of the criteria for seeking job. That scouting guiding certificate are there. That is one of the achievement where the government of Meghalaya recognize the scouting and guiding in the state.
The Joint Secretary of Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, T.K. Baman, said that the organization trains students to be equipped with responsibility and skills that will place them in different jobs that are offered to them.
Actually, we teach them the skills at the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides. So the life skills, the important skills for them to survive. And I believe that with the training they receive at the headquarters, it will equip them to be really responsible people, responsible citizens. And I'm sure with the skills that have been equipped, they would really find themselves placed in different domains, in different jobs, and they would do well. Because the motto of a guide and a scout is to be prepared, and therefore, this is what we train them in, to be prepared in life. And I believe that once they come for training over here, they will be equipped to take up any responsible job that is being offered to them. And as Bharat said just now, as our secretary had said, that we are focusing on getting more enrollments from the higher education sector, from the colleges and the universities, so that we also have that mission in us to prepare the youths for whatever comes to them in their lives.